This 2027 Keystone Hideout 310XBR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 11 inches in length and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Keystone Hideout 310XBR is 8,325 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.